Have you ever tried to explain your daily routine in English and suddenly your mind goes blank?
You know the words, wake up, work, eat, sleep, but putting everything together naturally feels stressful.
And maybe you worry about sounding too simple, too slow, or not English enough. That's completely normal, and today we're going to fix that.
In this video, you'll practice a real, natural conversation about daily routines, the kind of English people actually use every day.
By the end, you'll feel more confident talking about your morning, your workday, and your evenings without overthinking.
I'm Leo.
And I'm Anna. If you enjoy learning through calm, real-life conversations like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
All right, let's get started.
So, Leo, how was your morning today?
Honestly, a little rushed, but manageable. I woke up later than I planned, which already puts me behind.
I see. That happens more often than we'd like. Are you usually a morning person?
Not really. I function in the morning, but I wouldn't say I enjoy it. What about you?
I'm the opposite. I actually love early mornings. Everything feels quieter, slower, like the day hasn't started asking for anything yet.
That sounds peaceful. For me, the hardest part is the alarm.
Same alarm, different reactions. Do you get up right away?
No chance. I hit the snooze button once, or twice, or maybe 3 times.
Fair enough. Just to pause for a second, hit the snooze button means you delay the alarm for a few more minutes. That's a very common phrase in everyday English.
And those few minutes turn into 20.
Okay, once you're finally awake, what's the first thing you do?
Coffee. No thinking before coffee.
Understood. How do you kick it?
Strong and black. No sugar, no milk.
Interesting. I prefer mine with a little milk. I like to sit by the window, drink my coffee slowly, and ease into the day.
That sounds calm. I usually check my phone right away. Messages, emails, headlines.
I try not to. It helps me feel more focused instead of overwhelmed.
That makes sense. Maybe I should try that, at least once.
What about breakfast? Are you a breakfast person?
I keep it simple. Toast, maybe a banana, something quick.
Got it. I usually eat yogurt with fruit or eggs if I have time.
You definitely plan your mornings better than I do.
Not always. I just wake up early enough to move slowly.
After breakfast, I take a shower, preferably a hot one. It's the only thing that fully wakes me up.
Same here. And then comes the hardest decision of the day, what to wear.
Absolutely. I look at a full closet and still think I have nothing to wear.
Right? Even though that's clearly not true.
I solved that problem. I mostly wear the same colors. Simple shirts, no decisions.
That's actually very smart. Less thinking in the morning means more energy later. How do you usually get to work?
I take the bus. It's convenient, but it can get pretty crowded.
Crowded commutes can be exhausting.
True, but I listen to music or podcasts. It helps me disconnect.
That makes sense. I drive, but traffic can be frustrating. Lots of stopping and starting.
Either way, commuting isn't the most relaxing part of the day.
Once you arrive at work, how does your day usually start?
I sit down, turn on my computer, and face my emails.
Ah, yes, the inbox.
Exactly. Then meetings, conversations, more emails.
Same here. I enjoy my work, but it can be mentally tiring.
Quick check. When we say mentally tiring, we mean it uses a lot of brain energy, not physical strength.
Good clarification.
Let's talk about the best part of the workday, lunch.
Agreed. Do you bring lunch from home or buy it?
I usually buy lunch at a cafe near my office.
Nice. Getting outside helps reset your mind.
Exactly. What about you?
I usually bring something simple, a salad or a sandwich. It saves time and money.
That's very organized. How do you feel in the afternoon, especially around 3 p.m.? That's when my energy drops. My eyes get heavy and my focus disappears.
Same here. I usually have tea or a small snack.
I go for coffee or something sweet.
Both work as long as you make it through the rest of the day.
Once work is over, I just want to go home and slow down.
Same. What's the first thing you do when you get home?
I change into comfortable clothes immediately.
That's essential. It's like telling your body work is over.
Exactly.
Do you cook dinner or order food?
I cook simple meals, pasta, eggs, or I order in if I'm tired.
Fair enough. I enjoy cooking. It helps me relax after a long day.
That's impressive. Cooking stresses me out.
That's okay. Everyone unwinds differently.
In the evening, I usually watch something light, comedies, shows.
I like reading or taking a short walk.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10 p.m., I like getting enough sleep.
I stay up later, usually closer to midnight.
And then mornings are harder.
Exactly. It's a cycle.
And that's a full day, from waking up to going to sleep.
Notice how simple, clear phrases can create a very natural conversation?
You don't need complex vocabulary, just confidence and practice.
If this conversation helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the English Talk channel, and keep practicing.
And in the comments, tell us, are you a morning person or a night person?
We'd love to read your answers.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you in the next conversation.